दावोस में चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने ब्लूमबर्ग से बात की। उनका कहना था कि तबाहशुदा रियासत की तामीरों के अलावा उनके कोई सियासी अज़ायम नहीं हैं। उन्होंने पिछली हुकूमत के 5 साल में रियासत को वो नुकसान पहुंचाया जो तकसीम रियासत की वजह से भी नहीं हुआ था।
One final question, sir. You, like I've said before, you have a strong relationship with Prime Minister Modi. Is there a chance that you might consider a position in his cabinet anytime soon?
No, I don't have any aspiration. I am fully engaged in rebuilding Andhra Pradesh. That is my priority as on today. Because Andhra is one state. After bifurcation, we had some problems.
Right.
Compared to bifurcation, last 5 years we had more problems. People are having faith on us, NDA government in Andhra Pradesh. Telugu Desam, Janasena, BJP combinedly we fought. So this is our duty to help rebuild Andhra Pradesh and restore development track.
And if Prime Minister Modi requests you to play a national role as a cabinet minister?
No, that may not arise. So many ministers are there. Even
And
my
if
party.
it may arise?
No, my party also.